Good morning, Mark. Thank you for coming to this job interview with us.
Thank you for having me. I am very excited to be here today.
To start our meeting, can you please tell me about yourself, Mark?
Certainly. I have been working in the marketing industry for 5 years now.
That is a good start. What was your most recent professional job role?
I was a digital marketing manager for a very large retail company downtown.
What were your main responsibilities while you were working for that big company?
I managed all social media accounts and created many successful online advertising campaigns.
Did you enjoy working with a large team of different creative people there?
Yes, I really love collaborating with others to reach a common business goal.
That is great to hear. We value teamwork very highly in this office.
I believe that a positive team environment leads to much better creative work.
Before your last job, what did you study at the local city university?
I studied business administration with a special focus on international marketing strategies.
Did you find your university courses helpful for your real-world career path?
My professors taught me how to analyze data and understand modern consumer habits.
Those are very important skills for the job that we are offering here.
I'm glad to hear that my education matches your company's specific needs.
Tell me more about why you chose a career in the marketing field.
I have always been fascinated by how brands tell stories to their customers.
What would you say is your greatest professional strength in the workplace?
I am a very organized person who can manage many projects at once.
Being organized is essential because we move very quickly in this fast office.
I use digital tools to keep track of every single deadline and task.
Are you comfortable using the latest software for data analysis and reporting?
Yes, I am very proficient in using several different types of modern software.
That is impressive. Do you also have experience with public speaking and presentations?
I frequently presented our monthly marketing results to the senior management team members.
How do you handle pressure when you have a very tight project deadline?
I stay calm and focus on the most important tasks first to finish.
That is a very mature approach to handling stress in a busy environment.
I also make sure to communicate clearly with my team during busy times.
Communication is definitely another key skill that we look for in our employees.
I try to be a very active listener when my colleagues are speaking.
What is a new skill that you have learned in the last year?
I recently completed an online course about advanced search engine optimization techniques.
Learning new things on your own shows that you have a lot of initiative.
I believe that we should never stop learning new things in our lives.
I completely agree with that philosophy. Growth is very important for every person.
I am always looking for new ways to improve my professional skill set.
Can you tell me about a difficult challenge you faced at work?
Once, we lost a major client right before a very big product launch.
That sounds like a very difficult situation for any marketing team to handle.
It was, but I stayed positive and helped my team find new clients.
How did you find new clients so quickly during such a stressful time?
I organized a networking event to meet potential partners in the local area.
That was a very clever solution to a very big and sudden problem.
We actually gained 3 new clients by the end of that same month.
You must be very proud of how you handled that specific work challenge.
I learned that staying calm is the most important part of problem solving.
Have you ever had a disagreement with one of your many coworkers?
Yes, I have had small disagreements about the best way to design ads.
How did you resolve that conflict so that everyone was still happy?
I invited my coworker to lunch so we could talk about our ideas.
Talking in a relaxed environment is often a great way to fix problems.
We combined our best ideas and created a very successful final marketing plan.
It sounds like you are very good at finding a middle ground, Mark.
I think it is important to respect everyone's opinion in the workplace today.
That is a very healthy attitude for a professional person to have now.
Diversity of thought always leads to much more interesting and creative results.
Let's move away from work. What do you like to do for fun?
I love to go hiking in the mountains during my free weekend time.
Spending time in nature is a wonderful way to relax after a week.
It helps me clear my mind and feel very refreshed for Monday morning.
Do you have any other hobbies that you enjoy doing during the evening?
I am an amateur chef and I love to cook Italian food for friends. I also enjoy reading historical books about the many ancient world cultures.
Historical books are very interesting. What was the last book you finished?
I recently finished a very long book about the history of the Silk Road.
That sounds fascinating. Do you also enjoy traveling to different foreign countries?
Yes, I try to visit at least one new country every single year.
Traveling opens your mind to many different ways of living and thinking.
It has taught me to be much more patient and very curious about life.
Patience is definitely a virtue, especially when you are working with clients.
I find that my hobbies help me stay balanced and very happy overall.
Having a good work-life balance is essential for long-term success in any career.
I make sure to leave work at the office when I go home.
That is a very difficult thing for many people to do these days.
It takes practice, but it is very important for your mental health, Sarah.
You seem to have a very healthy and well-rounded lifestyle, Mark.
I try my best to stay healthy and positive in everything I do.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years from this current moment?
I hope to be a senior director leading a large and creative team.
This role could certainly help you move toward that very ambitious goal.
I am eager to contribute my skills to your company's future growth.
Why are you interested in working for our specific company right now?
I have followed your brand for years, and I admire your creative vision.
That is very kind of you to say. We are proud of our work.
I want to be part of a team that truly cares about quality.
Do you have any final questions for me before we finish today?
What is the most important thing for a new employee to learn here?
Learning our company culture and how we communicate is the first priority.
Thank you. That makes a lot of sense to me as a candidate.
When would you be able to start if we offered you the position?
I can start in 2 weeks after I finish my current project responsibilities.
That timing works well for us. We will contact you very soon, Mark.
Thank you for your time today. I really enjoyed our interesting conversation.
It was a pleasure meeting you. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
You too, Sarah. I look forward to hearing from you and your team.
Goodbye, Mark. We will speak again in the very near future. Take care.